For a long time, we have used maps to find our way in the world. This map is from 1565 and shows the world as we know it from those days. It gives a beautiful view of the New World as just discovered by Christopher Columbus. Now the world is becoming digitalized, and so are our maps. You and I use electronic devices, GPS, internet or mobile phones to go from one place to the other. We use the internet to travel when we look for a good neighbourhood to settle down. Electronic things, digital maps and globes have become an important thing for living in an uncertain world. The world is changing again. Among the greatest uncertainties in our lives were always the natural disasters. Earthquakes, hurricanes and floods kept appearing in the stories we told each other. Floods are rich sources for imagining the world. Michelangelo painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel with images from the book of Genesis. It tells stories of the flood, brought to the world by God as punishment for human sin and weakness. Today, those tales are retold as forecasts.
Red 5 Tropical Storm Roger is approaching London.
Maybe the tales are true. The media are filling with floods, but scientists will say it will only get worse. The reports on climate change predict the flooding will increase. The ices on the poles will melt, sea levels will keep rising and the rivers are filling. Rain and storm is coming. You have to prepare. We make flood maps for the future. Everybody should do it. Citizens, corporations, governments and armies. We can all make maps now. We can all watch and be watched. The world has become visible. Everybody can map everybody else. We look for security in an uncertain world. We increase surveillance of people and environments. We fortify our houses. We care for the roads, for rivers and the coast. We buy insurance. It is not easy to prepare. You have to depend on models of science and the electronic maps made with them. What will the world look like? We try to take precaution. We make plans for the future. Can models be trusted? We make arguments in international treaties. We place our faith in hope and justice. We seek security for ourselves. We want to secure our children, and their children's children. We are the people. We are the government. We are the activists. We are the corporations. We are the army. We want justice, security, and care.
So tell me, what's special about digital globes?
This is not like any map you have ever seen. This is a 3D model of the real world, based on real satellite images combined with maps. Get your own digital globe. Put the world in perspective.